What's up, YouTube? Got a quick video for you guys. Gonna be showing you how to recharge your AC on a 10th gen Civic. We're gonna get right into it. So go ahead and locate your low pressure line for your AC. It's gonna have an L, and then here's the high pressure line, has an H. You're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna unscrew the cap to the low pressure line. Set that right there. Got the nozzle attached, but this one you just lift up, push down, and then let this clip on. And for these, you're gonna need the newer type of refrigerant, R1234YF. Make sure you use the correct kind and not the older kind, because it can damage your AC system and cost you a lot of money to replace. So generally you get a bottle of the refrigerant, and then this one came with this top piece, so it's pretty convenient. Some of them don't, so you might have to get that separately. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on so it can start reading. It's reading 3 PSI, which is low. You're gonna go inside of your vehicle and turn it on. Screen to turn on. Go ahead and go to your climate, and then turn it to this mode where it's coming from the top vents and the bottom vents. And we're gonna turn it on. Have sync on, so both sides are the same. Turn it all the way down to low, full blast, like so. And with that on, we're gonna come back around. Still reading 3. Now the AC system is pressurized once you have your climate control on. And we're gonna go ahead, pull the trigger, and you'll know it's working because you'll start feeling the canister getting colder. And you can turn it like so. To help the refrigerant get in to your AC system. We're just gonna keep an eye on that PSI, make sure it doesn't get too high. We're gonna go for around 25 to 30. Well, this can is empty. It's a little bit, I would have liked to get it a little bit higher, but it's in the green at least. 28 psi. Feel the AC. Oh. And it's working. It's blowing all cold. So we're back in business for the summer. Wanted to include, just go ahead and turn off your car and then deattach this, put that cap back on, and you should be all good to go. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe and comment below any questions you might have or any useful advice you'd like to share. All right, peace out, guys.